If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. Hello and welcome to Flash Kitchen, and on the special occasion of Ratha Yatra, we are gonna make one of the Mahaprasad, the Magaja Ladu. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need to make the Magaja Ladu are 1.5 cup or around 200 grams of wheat flour, half a cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of ghee or roughly around 100 grams, then 2 tablespoons of chopped dry fruits, 2 teaspoons of green cardamom powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Then first, take a pan or a kadai, in that add the ghee and wait till all the ghee melt and keep the flame on medium to low throughout the cooking process. Then after that, add all the wheat flour and combine them really well. And try to break all the lumps that are formed because of lack of moisture, as the wheat flour content is lot more than the ghee. So as soon as the wheat flour and the hot ghee are combined, they will form lumps, and as this is on medium to low flame, take your time and break all the lumps. Then roast the mixture for about 7 to 8 minutes, or the color turns a little brown, and you will know when this is ready because of the aromatic flavor, which will come after the wheat flour is perfectly roasted. Then add the green cardamom powder and combine it really well. Then switch off the flame and transfer the mixture to a bowl or a plate and let it cool down for about 10 to 12 minutes. Not completely, but warm enough so we can make laddu. And if you cool it down completely, then it won't bind like a laddu and will break easily. So do it exactly after 10-12 minutes. Then after that, add the powdered sugar and combine it really well with the help of your fingers. Then while it's still warm, take a small portion of the mixture and using your both palm, bind it like a laddu. And if you don't get a smooth texture, then you can apply a little bit of ghee to your palm and try to make the surface smooth. And that's it. Now similarly make the other laddus and do it as soon as possible because the mixture needs to be warm. And that's it, the Ratha Yatra special Magaja Ladu. Do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. And remember, don't just eat to live, live to eat. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out.